Century for us was ticking all the criteria, and that was one of the things. And we have been more than satisfied with the relationship that we've had or that we're having with Centuray. You see, the starts in India, it is quite, some of the players are dominant players, and they would always like to put barriers for a new entrant. And when we started, we found this, that being new, some of the established players were putting all the roadblocks. Because of the support that we got from Centuray, we are very proud to say that we were able to overcome by far those obstacles, and we've had a good beginning in India. I can answer in 2 words: fantastic and marvelous.
Wow, that's very high rate.
Yes, and I always tell our people that the benchmark of servicing is what Nicholas and Jaili, they are, and it's actually, it's a benchmark for how customer service has to be done.
Yeah, so our company's core value is to satisfy our partners and serve our consumers. So your satisfaction, I think, is our first priority.
And as I'm repeating myself, and I really mean it, it's a benchmark for others to follow. There is a saying, right time, right place. This is the right time and the right place. The Indian railway sector is going to boom. It's already started booming. A lot of investment is happening in the Indian railway sector. So this is the right time. And the initial response that we have got in India for Centuray is something which is very positive. And to me, it's that the future is going to be good.
Yeah, we also think India is a very good market.
Yes.
It's a large market.
Yes.
So last year, 2025, we were very glad to enter the India market. So I think in the future, we look forward to having more cooperation with you.
Yeah, precisely. And not only on a single, today we saw the factory, and what we feel is that there could be many products which we could bring into India.
Yeah.
So Centuray, I'll say, has a good future in India.
Yeah, now we have a little cooperation in the rail transit area, but our cables and cable accessories and our copper lollies.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I see the future holds a bright business for Centuray.
Yeah. 2026, I think it will be a big year.
Yes, and what we're also trying to do is not only limit ourselves to India. So some of the EPC companies of India, there is a very good potential even to go beyond the Indian boundaries. So Middle East, Africa, even Europe, some of the Indian companies are targeting. So we would really like to have the Centuray Corporation go beyond the Indian boundaries.
I think your company is a very big platform, and we have a lot of opportunities. I just can't wait to see Centuray's footprint to go to all the world.
Yes, precisely.
Yeah. Thank you for your time.
Such a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Pleasure. Thank you.